Product is proud to present one of the most researched guides on how to clean your home, all packed in a series. In this particular video, we present to you all the right products that you will be needing to make your bathroom spotless. We at ProdHut try to compare each and every product to find the best ones for you. In this video, you will be introduced to a number of innovative products that will help you in creating a shining bathroom. We will also be including tips in between for a better cleaning. So you have finally decided to clean your bathroom. We are glad you took the first step. After all, it does require courage to start the deep cleaning of your bathroom. We at ProdHut have made it our mission to make your task easier and less hefty by researching the absolutely correct products that you will need. First and foremost rule of starting to organize any room is to visualize how you want it to look by the end of cleaning process. This will not only give you motivation to start but also the right direction in which you must start organizing. We will be introducing you to not only the cleaning process but also the products that will enlighten you. Before we start with products, we suggest you know your bathroom in the sense that what is the material of your faucets? What is the stone of your tiles? Are they polished? When were they last polished? Will they get eroded easily? Can you use harsher detergents? Or will you have to use only mild ones? What is the material of your cabinets? Can you use harsh detergents on them? Will your polish erode? If you know the answer to these questions already, then you are good to go. However, if you are not already aware, you will have to do some work. Tiles. The following are some common materials used for bathroom tiles. Terracotta tiles. Earthen feeling, homely appearance. Don't get as cold as other materials. Need maintenance every 2 years. Glass tiles. Durable and customizable, hence popular and shiny. The con is that it is scratchable. Vinyl floor. There are waterproof, cost-effective and easily replaceable. The con they present is that the irregularities on the floor beneath them are easily visible on them too. Natural stone. Better looking and lasts longer. Marble floor. Very slippery. Hard to maintain. Good looking. We have in fact a separate video on how you can clean your marble tiles and take care of them. You absolutely have to use extremely mild cleaners as it erodes very quickly. Also keeps it polished intact or it will erode even by water. Granite tiles. Long lasting, well water resistant. No need of mild detergent. Porcelain or ceramic. This type of tile is generally stylish and easy to clean. They cooperate well with radiant heat as well. The con they present is they get slippery. Engineered wood. Lasts longer than actual wood. Natural looking, moisture resistant. Will have to keep getting it polished as its polish erodes. Linoleum floor tiles. Biodegradable, hence environment friendly, very durable, easy to install, requires an off-period to emit gases and scratchable. Cork flooring. Not waterproof, very water resistant. Will have to keep getting it polished as its polish erodes. Slate tiles. These are very durable, strong, need to be sealed very well and gets destroyed. Faucets. These are polished with some silver pigment most of the time. Their interior may however vary. Most faucets are made of copper or nickel or chrome or stainless steel or bronze. The general cleaning tip around faucets is to only use water and a good quality cloth. The best way is to see whatever the manufacturer recommends. If you do not have any sources regarding all this information, we suggest you play it safe and use mild detergents. The right cloth. Before we start with other products, we need to have a good quality wiping cloth. It forms the basis of your cleaning process. It does not matter how and what type of detergent you use, the cleaning cannot be done well if the wiping cloth is bad. Here are some cloths mentioned below that people swear by. Microfiber is the type of cloth we all need. These are the best in terms of cleaning. We be dusting or wiping the wet floor. It does not leave fibers on the surface, hence forming the best material to clean with. Some microfiber clothes are so good that you only need water to clean any surface. They themselves attract all sorts of dust, oil, and gunk from the surface. One such microfiber is eCloth, microfiber kitchen cleaning cloth. Check the description box for the product link. It will be green in color. People swear by this company's microfiber. It requires mostly water only to wipe away dirt. It promises to remove 99% bacteria, dust, and oil off any surface. It attracts the moisture. Oil thus traps all dirt, grime, and grease. You could not invest in a better cloth for making your bathroom shine again. It is guaranteed for 300 machine washes. This pack comes with 2 clothes, 1 kitchen 32 into 32 cm, 1 glass and polishing cloth 15 to 40 cm. For another set of microfibers, check the soft spun microfiber cloth 5 pieces 14 to 40 cm. These are 340 GSM multicolor, thick lint and stick free multi-purpose clothes. These are the automotive microfiber towels for car, bike cleaning, polishing, washing and detailing. These are good for cleaning other surfaces as well. Microfiber gloves. The next thing you might need is microfiber gloves. See, sometimes you don't want the harsh detergents to get your skin dry and dirty. People want to protect their hands, right? The oil pulling properties of detergents often pull away the natural oils in the hands, making them extremely dry. This leads to the hands getting cracked and dry. If you are going to clean your bathroom, there will be a lot of scrubbing required. In such cases, to protect your hands, you should try out microfiber gloves. Since you will not be touching the detergent directly, your hands will remain safe. Also, another pro of these is that they help you in easy scrubbing. Otherwise, what might require a lot of energy, you could just wipe away in the circular way and the scrubbing will be done for you. Many people have been benefited by the use of microfiber gloves. One thing that you should take care of is that not all microfiber gloves will be waterproof, in the sense that if you get them wet, the water and soap might penetrate into your hand as well. This does reduce your scrubbing effort but will not protect your hands much. So be careful about that. One microfiber glove we suggest is Carsaz super large size 25 into 18 cm extra thick waterproof dual sided multi-purpose car home office cleaning microfiber glove with waterproof layering. This one promises to be waterproof and extra thick as well, so you can rely on it for cleaning your surfaces properly. The Namaskara multi-purpose double-sided microfiber soft super mid dust and home kitchen car window glass cleaning gloves multicolored pack of 1 are the another choice that we want to present to you. Check the description box for product details. Silicone hand gloves. Next, we cover silicone hand gloves. The one thing these will ensure is that your hands will remain dry no matter what. These often come with bristles in palm area and hence do the scrubbing part very easily. There is, however, a difference in silicone glove and microfiber glove. These ones scrub better, but you cannot use them to do dusting or wiping anything. Nor can you use them to dry any surface. However, they will do a better job at scrubbing than microfiber. This one pair of gloves we like. Helium silicone hand gloves with a scrubber, scrub cleaning gloves with microfiber bristles for dishwashing and pet grooming, etc. Multicolor 1 pair. To check this one on Amazon, check the video description box. Electric scrubber. The next product that we want to introduce to you is an electric scrubber. This one eliminates all your problems in one go. Is scrubbing a difficult task for you? Below we present electric scrubbers. Each of them has different properties that we will highlight for you. These will easy on your back as well as they will save your time and energy. They are easy to use and will reduce the hassle of scrubbing every tile in your bathroom. These are more easy to use than even microfiber and silicone gloves as they will be doing all the scrubbing for you while you just guide the wand. Let us start with the fresh D-Cart ABS plastic electric spinning scrubber machine, floor cleaning, bathroom tile cleaner tool with 3 replaceable brushes and long extension handle. It comes in a large size and color scheme is white and blue. With the market price of 5,000 rupees, this electric scrubber provides professional cleaning without you putting excess effort into it. It spins up to 3,000 rotations per minute. The head can turn around a full 360 degrees. You will be provided with 3 different brush heads. They are replaceable and include a half round brush, a corner brush, and a flat brush. It provides maximum coverage since it has a handle that can be extended. It is cordless as well as waterproof, hence reducing the hassle of water mingling with the electric current to give you a hazardous shock. It is waterproof, hence it is safe to use with water as well. The Home Cube 1PC multifunctional Hurricane Muscle Scrubber electrical cleaning brush with brush heads, bathroom surface cleaner, bathtub, shower, tile brush, household cleaning tools, random color. This model has a little different design to begin with. Basically, it is smaller and cheaper if you do not require an extensible rod to clean your tiles, then this is a good fit for you. It is also a more affordable option. It also has a greater rotation rate at 500 rotations per minute. For third product, we would like to warn you. You must have a drill already present in your home. These are only 3 brushes. This product forms the most affordable and cheapest option of all. This is also a bit small but seems worth it according to the price. This also comes with 3 replaceable heads. All promise to have great nylon quality. The product is Mogoi 3-pack drill brush attachment set, scrubber drill brush electric power round cleaning tool, nylon brush set for bathroom surfaces, floor, tub, shower, tile corners, kitchen, automotive drill. Check the description box for product details. Mops. What is the one thing essential to clean any floor? Yes, mops. You may want to use the old brown colored cloth you have, but if you're thinking of going a little easy on your back, we suggest you buy one of those wand mops that come with a multi-purpose stub that not only squeeze the mop dry by spinning it automatically but also contain the disinfectant water for your next run. The first mop we want to introduce to you is the Scotch Brite microfiber flat mop with 1 extra refill for Magic Easy floor cleaning, multi-purpose. Check the description box for product details. Toilet. Now we come on to the hub of all the germs. This is hardest to clean if you have not been regular. But what are we here for? The answer is for assisting you in the process. We obviously start with the wand kit that we think will help you best in scrubbing the toilet for you. Well, if even you are looking for a wand stick with such options, we present Clorox 03191 CT Toilet Wand Kit with caddy and refill heads, 6 kits per carton by Clorox. This whole system cleans 99.9% germs from your toilet seat. You will not need to store the germ-filled wands heads. You just need to dispose them. This one kit promises 6 toilet cleans. It promises to be equal to 1.5 gel toilet cleaners. It comes preloaded with Clorox cleaner. The product link is in the video description box. You may be wondering that what you will do after 6 uses. Well, its refills are also available so that you can keep using your wand time and again. Check the description box for buying the refills. Now we talk of manual cleaners, the ones you need to pour over your toilet bowl. Then let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes and scrub away. These disinfect your bowl and give it a shiny look. We want to show you some cleaners. The first one is Clorox Manual Toilet Bowl Cleaner Fresh Scent 709 ml. Check the video description box for various manual cleaners. Some people swear by the long-term effects of regular cleaning of your toilet. It will definitely lead to less work dawning upon you in the future. One step to lesser work in future is to use tablets that you put in your flush tank. They usually have to disinfect and cleaning ingredients inside them, which get dissolved in the tank water. So each time you flush, it is equivalent to giving your toilet a rinse with a toilet bowl cleaner. We have 3 toilet tablets that we want to suggest to you. The first one being Clorox Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner Formulas 8 in number. They promise to clean out 99.9% germs off your toilet bowl. It will also work till 3 months duration. The second one we want to recommend is Harpic Flushmatic Toilet in Cistern Clock 50 gram. The color is aquamarine blue. Comes in a pack of 3. The third one is Harpic Power Fresh 6 Toilet Rim Block Marine 30 gram quantity. Now, a pumice stone is something you might not be familiar with. This is the last resort for cleaning practices as it is most likely to hurt your bowl. The pumice stone is needed to be used only when all the chemicals fail. It is used to clean all sorts of mineral buildup. It is supposed to be softer than ceramic and not hurt your bowl, but still, it is hard. This could make your polish wear off. There is a whole other scientific process involved. So basically, when you rub pumice with gunk, the pumice wears off and forms a paste with gunk. Keep rinsing along with scrubbing with the stone to make sure you do not over scrub. Here are some pumice stones that we recommend. The first one being US Pumice Pumi Toilet Bowl Ring Remover. The second one being Iron Stars 2-piece Water Toilet Bowl Natural Pumice Stone Cleaner Brush Wand Cleaning Rod. The third one has the advantage of being organic and eco-friendly. Organic eco-friendly bathroom cleaner, toilet bowl cleaner, glass cleaner, kitchen cleaner, 700 ml each, combo pack of 4. Check the description box for product details. Bathtub. When it comes to cleaning a bathtub, a good cleaning agent can go a long way. Let us make your bathtub shiny and good looking again. Here are some cleaners that people swear by. Barkeepers Front Cleanser and Polish 340 gram 12 OZ. The next one is Scrubbing Bubbles Disinfectant Bathroom Cleaner Fresh 20 ounce. One friendly for the environment is Green Works Bio Cleaning Solutions Biotech Bathroom and Toilet Cleaner with a foaming spray bottle 500 ml. Check the description box for product details. Tiles. Let us cover tiles. We do have a full video dedicated to tiles separately, but we will cover it here too. When we talk about tiles, there are lots of process required. First, you must vacuum or broom to remove dust. Then you must mop with phenyl or disinfectant. After mopping, you should let it dry. Now target the areas that look worse. Check any area where grout is present. If you have an encounter with grout, you may use foaming cleansers that lather up and scrub hard. You may use the electric spinning scrubber we have mentioned above. The first cleaner we prefer is Black Diamond 679773002-063 Stone and Tile Intensive Cleaner, Marble Granite Slate, Limestone Terrazzo, River Rock Sandstone, Brick and Grout. The next one is Barkeepers Friends of Cleanser for Stainless Steel, Porcelain, Ceramic, Tile, Copper, 13 OZ each. You may also buy the Ultimate Grout Cleaner, the best grout cleaner for tile and grout cleaning, acid free, safe deep cleaner and stain remover for even the dirtiest grout. We know we are suggesting too many, but we want to present you with as many options as possible. Another different kind of product is the Church and Dwight 19 OZ Kaboom Foams Tastic 35270 tub and tile cleaners. This is an amazing cleaner as it foam also changes color as it softens gunk. You can trust on this one. You must end cleaning of tiles with polish. You must polish your tiles after cleaning as some polish could have been lost. This results in erosion of tile material. Check the description box for product details. DIY. Here we provide some DIY cleaners. They are mainly useful only for daily cleaning, sometimes as most are mild. Use a proper cleaner if you want to scrub any kind of grout. In 1 liter water, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon ammonia. Mix 2 cups of baking soda with 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide. This makes a powerful paste. You may dilute it or use the powerful mixture to the difficult areas. For a cleaner, add 2 cups of hot water in a bottle. Boil white vinegar and let it all cool. And add half cup of this vinegar to that mix. After this, add a quarter cup isopropyl rubbing alcohol. To this mix, add a drop of liquid dishwash. Add drops of essential oils for fragrance. Another method of utilizing hydrogen peroxide is to use 1 cup of baking soda with half cup of hydrogen peroxide and 2 teaspoons of dishwashing liquid. One DIY is to put 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide in 1 gallon of warm water. Then put half a cup of white vinegar followed by essential oil drops. Essential oil is optional. Use this only if you want your floor to smell a particular way. You may make some disinfecting cleaner at your home only. One method is to dissolve methylated spirits into warm water and mop the floor with it. Another recipe is that you use bleach. Bleach is basically forbidden because it will harm your floor the most. We suggest you check a little area of your floor for any reactions to bleach. If your floor is marble, wooden, or any highly porous or erodible stone, abstain at all cost from using bleach. Even if you absolutely have to, use only extremely diluted forms. Put half a cup of bleach in 1 gallon of water for a good cleansing. If you really want to disinfect the floor, we suggest you let it sit for 5 minutes and then mop the floor thoroughly with plain warm water. This will not be needed if your tiles are already good to look at. However, it will be amazing in cleaning any kind of grout and making your tiles shine again. Make sure to buy a good quality bleach. We suggest you try a different method if you have wooden flooring. To color them again, one DIY that we suggest is that you boil water with 2 bags of tea inside. This will form an excellent tanning acid which will not only tan your floor but also provide a nice shine to it. Dip a good quality mop of cloth in the water and mop the floor with it. Do this only at the end of your cleaning process. Let it sit for some time and then you may just mop with a regular mop or the cloth to take excess color out of the floor then only. Another tested ingredient for wooden floors is olive oil, as it brings out another level of shine to your wooden floor. This tested hack also works well for furniture. Cabinet. We at Prod Hut swear by lemon, baking powder and vinegar to clean anything. You could clean anything with this mixture, including cabinets. These are simple ingredients that you can find in your home only. However, if your cabinet material is abrasive, you must not use lemon or vinegar, only baking powder or anything else mentioned by manufacturing company. Firstly, obviously declutter. Throw away all the expired products. Throw away all the products you know you will not need. Try to be a little more sustainable and recycle the expired ones and donate the not needed ones. The planet will thank you for that. After decluttering, dust the cabinet by any cloth that we mentioned above. Once you are sure that dust is removed, use any cleaner of your choice. The method will be mentioned behind the bottle. Here is a cleaner we refer. Colon Organic All-Purpose Surface Spray Cleaner 700 ml, suitable for all surface including marble, granite, wood, tiles, stainless steel and glass. Check the description box for product details. Faucets. These are the ones that need only mild cleaning agents. You can go with a good microfiber cloth and simple water. However, if the stains are tougher, try using baking soda. Just sprinkle it over the faucet and then wipe with a wet microfiber cloth. This must do the trick. If you are still unsuccessful, try leaving baking soda and water paste on it for 5 to 10 minutes. We must be heavily careful because the polish of your faucet can erode in a jiffy and will cause you maintenance problems. We also suggest that you polish your faucet after you are done with the cleaning for being on the safer side. You may use a toothbrush with soft bristles to clean hard to reach areas. Dip the toothbrush in baking soda paste and scrub the hard to reach parts. Then rinse with water. We suggest you use distilled water to clean the faucets. If distilled water is not readily available, you may boil some water and wait for it to cool down to use. If the gunk is extremely stubborn, you must try vinegar. Try leaving it on for 2 to 3 minutes and wipe with a microfiber cloth. We suggest you dip that cloth in warm water and then wipe the vinegar off. Resort to harsh detergents only, and only when you are absolutely sure that these home found ingredients cannot help you in any way. Also, polish your faucet immediately after you use a harsh cleaning agent. Some mild cleaners, Blue Oxy 500 ml cleaner with 1 cellulose cleaning pad and lime and hard water stain remover 250 gram pack, plus wood furniture and laminate cleaner with cellulose sponge cleaner. The other one, Blue Oxy kitchen cleaner and degreaser with foam action 500 ml and oven and grill cleaner 500 ml spray bottle is a harsh cleaner. Go for this one only and only if you are extremely sure that vinegar and baking soda cannot do the job for you. You could also use dishwashing liquid dissolved in warm water to clean a faucet. Dishwashing liquids such as Herbopest Blue Oxy Auto Dishwasher Detergent Liquid Bottle reduces lime scale grease cutting. 500 ml capacity, white can be used by you. Check the description box for product details. Rug. Any bathroom is incomplete without a rug. Let us come to this part of bathroom that we highly neglect. Now you might want to toss your rugs in washing machine, but it is most likely to be harmed by that process. We suggest you dip it overnight in soapy water. The soap consistency should be high. You may use any detergent or cleaner that you prefer. You may use a rug shampoo or other mild dish detergent. The first step should be to vacuum the possible dirt out of your rug. Then sink the rug in a soapy water overnight. Start scrubbing it the next morning with soft bristle brush or sponge. Scrub gently but nice enough to clean it properly. Let the lather sit on the rug and scrub one last time. It is best if you have a water hose and clean it well with water. However, if that is not possible, just let it sit under a tap such that the lather clears up along with the dirt. Then you remove the excess water. Only come to this step once you are sure that you do not need to scrub any more dirt away. Remove the excess water as your rug will dry out faster. Dry out happens with wet and dry vacuum cleaner or squeezy. Then let it dry in shade. Dry it in sun only if it is white. This is so because the color fades in sun. Walls, tiles. To get to the grout, your easy tool is a toothbrush. Make a paste of baking soda and vinegar. You may use freshly squeezed lemon juice as well in the mixture. Following are some brushes that will help you. This type of brush is one that automatically dispenses soap into brush along with your scrubbing. You may check out these types of brushes from the link here. Add fresh plastic dishwash, soap dispense brush and cleaning scrubber standard size multicolor. Check the description box for product details. Electronics. Now we come to the electronics present in your bathroom. This includes washing machines, hand dryer, etc. The best way to remove stains of hard water off of your electronic devices is a mixture of vinegar, baking soda and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Just put this mixture on your machine and wipe after 5 minutes. Dip the cloth in warm water before you scrub the paste off. You may also use some detergent diluted in warm water. Even dishwashing liquid mixed with the warm water can do wonders. Do not use any other cloth that apart from microfiber one. We have suggested microfibers above. You may look for them there. Glass window and mirror. All you need is a good spray and a good quality microfiber cloth. First, let's look at some squeezies. The first one we present in Jet Clean Window Cleaning and Washing Kit Squeezy and Microfiber Window Washer. Pro Window Cleaning Kit 13.5 Cleaner for Glass, Mirror, Shower, Auto. Now it's turn for some glass cleaners as these will provide assistance to you. You may try BioClean, eco-friendly hard water stain remover 20 OZ large. Our professional cleaner removes stuff, water stains from shower doors, windshields, windows, chrome, tiles, toilets, granite, steel, etc. Have you ever been fascinated by the idea of a wiper that sprays? You must try Sajani Easy Glass Cleaner 3-in-1 spray type cleaning brush, glass wiper window, clean shave car window cleaner brush, random color. Check the description box for product details. Shower curtain. A shower curtain is another neglected part of your bathroom. You can clean it very easily. Most of them are of nylon only, so they are pretty waterproof. You can just start scrubbing with soap or detergent. But if you want to relieve your work, soak it in soapy water overnight. Then all you need to do is scrub it off. Here is the tricky part though. You need to wipe it dry with a good microfiber cloth so that it does not endure water stains. Once you have wiped it dry, leave it in the shade to dry properly. Check the description box for product details. Soap cases or brush holders. Let us not leave even a little thing unclean. Just soak them in soapy water. The water must be lukewarm. You mostly will not need scrubbing, but scrub if there is any grout or stains that will not go away by wiping. Then wipe them with the microfiber cloth. The microfiber cloth must be dipped in warm water. Once it is clean, wipe it dry. Then let them dry properly by laying them out in shade separately. You will be good to go. Microfiber clothes are mentioned on the top section of this video, and so are dishwashing liquids.